In today's video, I headed on my skidoo with my two dogs out to my cold winter tent. We cook some bone marrow soup and get dumped on with snow. Come along with us. Labrador, northeastern Canada. It's early April here now, unofficially spring, believe it or not. And although this looks like the perfect day to be outside, we actually have a spring snowfall coming. I spent a few nights in my winter tents this year, but not a night where it's been stormy, and I usually do that. So tonight is the night I go give it a try. Just like I left it. So these are moose bones. I'm going to make some moose bone marrow soup. Don't knock it till you try it. I'm throwing some salt meat. It is really hot in here already. It doesn't take long. It's about minus 11 degrees Celsius outside. And the snow is still falling in the tent. You can hear it slipping off, eh? Every now and then. Soup's on. Have a cup of tea to once with that now. The best thing about making soup is that you put it on, you just let it go, add your spuds and vegetables after, and you just gotta relax in the meantime. It's good to be back here in the tent again. Snowing pretty heavy out there. And I know you think I'm weird because I do this kind of stuff in the snow, but I like it. Dogs like it. So I'll let the salt meat and the bones just boil away for probably, I don't know, 45 minutes or an hour. And then I'll just add a few potatoes and a few carrots. Nothing fancy this evening. Ah boy. Ready for the veggies. A few spuds, peel and all. This is camp soup, this is. Oh my, it's starting to smell good already. Oh, nosy pants, she won't go to sleep when the food is cooking. But this one would sleep through anything. Well, as soon as those vegetables are done now, we'll have our soup. It's getting late in the night. I always have supper pretty early in the evening, but it's after 9 p.m. now. But I'm just chilling and relaxing. When you go into the tent like this by yourself, everything just kind of slows down, obviously, because there's nothing around you. There's no internet. There's no social media. There's nothing there, only me, the dogs, and this camera. When the camera's off, you're thinking about what's happened in your life in the last few days. And it's a real time of reflection. And you think about what you're going to do in the next little while too. So it kind of resets and it gives you that little starting platform again where you can think clearly. You think about good things that happen and bad things that happen. And everything just kind of goes around in a circle, and it makes sense when it comes to the other end, if that even makes sense. But reflecting here now, in the last few days, I got to give a shout out to a young man from Louder City. His name is Colin Rumble. I've known him ever since he was born. He's a young man now, and he's participated in the Special Olympic program for a number of years, and he's like won so many awards over the years. Whether it's from the town, from the province, from Canada, and he's just back from Italy, where he competed and got chosen to go over and represent the country on our behalf. Imagine, he got sent to the world competition. Who gets a chance to do that? A young man from Labrador, and he trained so hard. I've been following him and his family forever, and just to watch the determination and the strength that he puts into this. And he competed in 3 major races. One of the races he skied in was 1 kilometer long, and right off the bat he won 4th place in the world. And then he raced in a 2.5 kilometer ski race, and he got 2nd place, a silver medal in the world. And then him and his teammates did a 4 times 1 kilometer ski relay, and guess what? They won gold, the top prize. They came number 1. And I don't want to understate this, I don't want to overstate this. Just the fact that he got to go over there and represent us, really, was mind-boggling. But to go over and perform as he did, it was a result of what him and his family went through in the training portion of him getting to go over there. And he's such an inspiration to be around. He just lights up a room when he's there. Anybody who knows him knows Colin. That's what he does. And I want to congratulate Colin because Labrador is proud of him. The province is proud of him. The country is proud of him. And the world is proud of him. And from me sitting here right now in this tent in the woods, what I'm reflecting on is you. Because I'm proud of you, buddy. Good show. Make sure you get the marrow out of them bones, guys. Let them put it right in your soup. That is so good for you right there. I'd say it's the same as taking a whole bowl full of vitamins and minerals. Look at that. A couple slices of homemade bread and butter. Oh, you got to try it. But somebody say it for me. guys, we'll see you in the morning when it's coffee time.
Good morning. Man, what a wonderful sleep again. This is so comfortable. I'm usually up earlier in the mornings, but when I'm lying here in the mornings like this, I just hang on. I think it's still snowing. Walls are warm. Everything's dry. Coffee time. And the floor is so warm. Ooh, we had a lot of snow. Oh, but it's nice out. Seems like the wind died out a bit. So we'll see what the temperature is. Minus 12. Now, before you guys say anything, this is a snowmobile. It's designed to hold lots of snow on top. I did not need to cover it. I don't cover it all winter, in fact. I only cover it in the summertime. I think there was just enough heat inside the tent that it would just keep slipping off all night. See, it's starting to pile up around the edges there a bit and just slipped off ever so slightly every now and then. Get some coffee, get some breakfast. Some breakfast. Just let me open the door. The moose roast left over from a couple nights ago. I'll cut that one up in little bite-sized pieces now to go along with my eggs. Waste not, want not. Throw our eggs in here and throw our moose in and toast that up a bit. Speaking of toast, I forgot I had a little English muffin there. Toast that one up. Maybe I'll make one of these into an egg and meat muffin. Oh my, fancy. Have a little piece of that meat now. I don't know how you can bake something in the oven and touch it in a frying pan and it has a whole different taste to it. Both delicious. Or maybe just because I'm starving this morning. I actually forgot my frying pan this morning, so I'm glad I had the pot there. The eggs turned out fantastic. Oh my. You cannot beat that first sip of coffee. That's it then, right? Every other one is good, but never as good as the first sip. Now to try a bite of this incredible moose meat egg McMuffin. I don't know. You won't get that through a drive-thru, I can guarantee you that. I gotta say it again, guys. My tenting experience. This is my fifth winter tent. And I'm not advertising for anyone. I'm just telling you that this tenting experience right here in this tent is wonderful with that stove. I have never went 6 hours without replenishing the stove because it either ran out of wood or got too cold in the tent. And that was only minus 11, minus 12 last night. But still, for all, it's snowing all night. Most tents would be wet. Still hear the snow slipping off. Most tents would be damp around here now. Bone dry because of the 2 layers. And you get none of this hot, cold. It just stays a constant temperature. And that's due to, I guess, the design and due to the design of the stove. I've been fine-tuning that stove almost to the degree that you want it, you know. It's 8 o'clock. Breakfast is eaten. I'm going to pack things up here shortly. I actually got to head to Goose Bay this morning because tomorrow I have to do an annual fitness test for work. I tell you what, guys, it's hard. It's tough. It's good that we have to do it because it keeps you motivated to stay in shape a bit, you know. And the test goes on for like, well, it can go on for 17.5 minutes of vigorous exercise. So I guess as you get older, you kind of dread it more, but wish me luck is all I can say. Put one more chunk of wood in the stove just to kind of dry up everything in the tent when we're gone, with the door closed. We had a good 7 or 8 inches of snow last night. Well, I'm leaving the tent out. I've had it outside for about 3 months now. And although spring is breaking, I'd like to have at least one more trip here if I can. So if you like this kind of stuff, stick around for the next video. And until the next video, take care of each other, get outside and enjoy everything outdoors. And we'll see you next time. Guaranteed.
We'll see you next time. Guaranteed.